Thank you all. Thank you all for coming. I appreciate everyone traveling here for a few days and spending time with us, and also for your partnership in business. I'm going to spend just a couple minutes welcoming you. I want to talk a bit about transforming for growth, but you're going to hear a lot today, and you're going to hear a lot the next few days about the opportunities out there and how you can transform your businesses and how you can capture new opportunities. But I want to speak more from my heart and from the business here about what we're doing to change and how we're transforming ourselves in software to enable your growth. And we're making very significant changes in how we engage with you and how we go to market. And you're going to feel and experience some of that this week, but over the coming weeks and coming months, and the way the people you meet, the people who engage with you, the people you see dedicated to you, you're going to see some pretty significant and I think positive changes. So one of the first big changes we're making and how we're transforming in software is actually we're making significant shifts from having our resources, our technical and sales resources, or technical and business development resources. We're shifting them from being client-facing to dedicating them to you and your businesses. Now, why are we doing that? Well, our clients, your clients, choose to do business with you because you provide value, you create value for them, whether that's through your industry expertise or your solution expertise or domain expertise. Selling products, just pushing products, really it doesn't work in these markets as well maybe as it used to. So for example, within here in our India business, we've more than quadrupled the team and dedicated resources specifically to you. So we've over the past few weeks taken technical resources, taken business development resources out of client-facing roles up to almost 50 people now from a much lower number, dedicating them only to you and your businesses. So you're going to meet more people, dedicated architects, dedicated business development executives who only work with you and no one else. One of the other changes we're making is in terms of our brand resources, and we saw about cloud, analytics, social, mobile, and in those hot areas of growth, we're aligning and pooling our brand resources to you along those axes to support you in business development, to support you in building solutions, architecting your solutions, and helping you also bring in the resources to reduce your implementation risk as you deploy those solutions. We're investing significantly in building centers of competency in your organization. So you're going to see significant investments coming from IBM to basically take software, to take our labs, to take our development capabilities and put them inside your business, which is a significant change for us. And again, it's because of your go-to-market. It's because of the value you create. I know we talked about business partners there, but you're partners, but you're not resellers, you're not business, that's not your model. You provide value-added services. You provide and create outcomes for clients, and then rely on partners like us and others to help deliver those outcomes. That's how clients are buying, and I'd say finally recognize again that we need to align and put ourselves inside your organizations, and that's how you'll be successful and grow your businesses. And quite honestly, it's how we're going to be able to grow our software business. We're helping you, and you're going to see investments from us in transforming to cloud and business models. You're going to hear from us about Bluemix. Well, our SI partners are going to get your own private label version of Bluemix. So that's a big investment on our part, and that's going to be for DevOps, for creating your own services or leveraging our services to build cloud and managed services. But it also can support you and help you in go-to-market and kind of a marketplace for your services and the assets that you create. We've seen SIs, systems integrators, buy software companies, partner with other companies, moving into asset-based services to get more leverage and scale in your business. And this is a commitment we're making to you to help you actually do that. We're going to continue, of course, to invest in skills and develop your skills, whether it's on our products or help you bring in some of our experts from our labs, whether it's in cybersecurity or whether it's in analytics or whether it's in mobile. So we're going to continue to do that and help you build those skills. But I think one of the most important things is that we're actually transforming and changing how we behave and how we engage. Now, I've been in my role for 2 months or so, and there's an expression, whack-a-mole, which is kind of an American game where you got holes in the board and a mole pops up and then you got to whack it down. Well, we have lots of issues that we need to fix in terms of how we engage with clients. Our clients, your clients, choose you for value. We don't own the client. Just because we have a client team or managing directors on an account doesn't mean we decide who we can work with or they decide who we can work with and who we can't work with. So you're going to see significant changes, and some of you are probably seeing it already, in rules of engagement. And that's something that's going to be really important to build trust and in some cases reestablish trust that we've lost. But we're absolutely committed to regaining that trust with you, because that's how we're going to work well, and that's how you're going to have more predictability in the relationship. But you're also going to see another change in how we engage with you, and some of the partners with whom we've spoken today and will be speaking this week, you're going to see much less engagement from a transactional and opportunistic perspective. That is not how we build trust. That is not how we grow businesses. We've got to think more in terms of joint business development, joint investment, multi-year plans to grow our mutual businesses. So, I know my teams have heard a lot from me about you've got to think like an SI, not like a software vendor. If we're just a vendor and have a vendor-partner relationship, it's not good for you and it's not good for us. So by thinking like an SI, I'm going to count on all of you to hopefully help me see this and where it's working well and where it isn't. It means engaging you and helping you grow your revenue, helping you expand your margins, helping you reduce implementation risk and offer more predictability for your clients, and less about this quarter, this week, this transaction, because you're not resellers, you're not business partners, you're not VADs, that's not your model. So that's another change, a significant change we're going to make. So you'll see that in your dedicated business development executives that you're going to have working with you on building these plans that will in turn have a lot more investment from us and hopefully investment from you. It's a very different way of working together, because there's huge opportunity out there. Massive opportunity out there. And if we agree on that opportunity and aim for the, growing by hundreds of millions of dollars your business and tens of millions of dollars and such for our business, then we change your economics, you change our economics, and it's a real partnership, and that's the foundation for what we want to do. So I just want to thank you all for coming today. I hope you start to see these changes in behavior. The investments that we're going to be making in you are significant. We're looking for similar investments, similar commitment from you, but it's certainly a new software group, in some ways a new IBM, and how we're going to work together. And I just want to thank you, and I hope you enjoy and get a lot of value over the next couple of days. Thank you.